Hi everybody, Scott Card here with yet another quick tip on using Proteus. This one was requested by a viewer who wanted to know how to import a QR code onto our Silkscreen for our PCB. Okay, so I guess the first question is, why would you want to have a QR code on your PCB? In this case, I have a link to my YouTube channel, but it could be a link to your company webpage. It could be instructions on how to use your circuit board. It could be some personal information, or one of my favorites, how to decode an error LED that's flashing so that you don't have to go to a website. We can actually store this in the text mode. Okay, and so the first thing that we need to do is we need to find some way to generate this QR code. And the website I've been using lately is theqrcodegenerator.com. And you can see here that I've put in my YouTube channel, so youtube.com/c/scottcard, and it has generated this nice little code. And you can see that we can actually put in here free text as well. And there's a slight difference that you can see, and this helps tell the computer that's scanning it whether it's a QR code or whether it's just free text. If you do free text, you can still follow that through. Contact is great because that'll actually create a card for you. And phone and SMS is a great way to have something really quick and easy to directly dial to your phone number. Okay, so now that we've created this code, we're just going to go ahead and save it, and you can save it as whatever you want. I'm going to call mine Scott-card. There we go. And it will save it in your downloads folder. Okay. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to go in and edit that. Okay, so we'll just go to our downloads, and there's my Scott card. Yeah, that's what it looks like. We want to actually not view it, but we want to edit it. And all we need to do is we want to save this as, we're going to save as a bitmap, a monochrome bitmap. Okay, and I'm just going to put it on my desktop. So I'll go ahead and save. Okay, good enough. And we'll close all this down and go back to our Proteus file. And I'll get rid of this guy. And what we want to do is say File, Import Bitmap, and it should be here, Scott Card 1. And as you can see, it is quite a bit larger than my circuit board, but that's okay because we can actually scale it down. Now we do want to keep an eye on the aspect ratio. We want to keep it fairly close to original. A little bit skewed is okay, but we do want it. We don't want to get any misreads. Okay, and so you can see we have scaled this down quite a bit, and it is still readable. No problem there. And so if you wanted to scan that, it should take you to my YouTube channel. All right. As always, thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it useful, or if you have some constructive criticism, thumbs down is fine. I'd love to hear from you down below, what you like, what you didn't like. If you have any suggestions or anything you'd like to see on this channel, go ahead and discuss away. If it's something I feel I can do justice to, I'll create a video. And yeah, do consider subscribing if you want to be made aware when I do upload videos. Make sure that you hit the notify bell. All right. As always, thanks for watching, and have yourself a great day. Okay. Bye now.